Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Peyton. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm coming at you guys with a really quick little tutorial on how I achieved this burgundy reddish magenta color using Loreal Hicolor highlights. Only thing that I recorded was myself dyeing one of my bundles, so this is not a tutorial on how to dye a frontal. This is not a tutorial on how to dye 4 bundles. This is a tutorial on how I got this hair color. So yeah, it's gonna be really short and simple. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get right into it.
So I like to start off with my L'Oreal Excellence Hicolor highlights in the color Magenta. I actually use 6 of these boxes, and I'm just taking my bundle loose right now, and I feel like this is the best way to dye your hair just because you get to apply the dye all throughout the bundle versus if you just did it with the bundle itself. So I'm just taking my dye bowl and I'm taking that tube of red magenta dye and I'm just squeezing it in there, and then I'm taking Salon 40 Volume Cream Developer and I'm pouring 2.4 ounces of that developer into that bowl, and I'm just mixing it until there's no lumps and bumps in it. So you kind of just want it to be liquidy. And after that, I start from the bottom of the weft and just make my way up to the top. I feel like this is the fastest way to ensure that you fully saturate the bundle. You want to make sure that you dye your hair like this if you want it to come out the same color, because if you do it any other way, it could come out darker, or it can come out with different colors in it. So I'm just skipping ahead because these clips basically speak for themselves, but you just want to ensure that the bundles are fully saturated as you're doing this. And after you finish dyeing the first side of the bundles, then I just like to pick it up and turn it around so that I can dye the back side. And I just had to make another mixture of dye, but I just used the rest of that mixture to fully saturate the rest of the hair, just because when you dye it from the front, you don't get all of the hair strands. So this is basically the end of the tutorial. After this, I just like to take the whole bundle up, roll it up, let it sit for 1 to 2 hours, and then rinse the dye out and shampoo and condition the bundle regularly. And that's it.
Like I said, this is a Lemoda hair company, a vendor on AliExpress. I think they have a company, their website is not on AliExpress, but yeah, this is their Peruvian Straight hair in the lengths 18, 20, 22, and 24 with a 16-inch frontal. I only installed the 20, 22, and 24-inch bundles just because when I dyed the hair, I didn't have enough dye for the 4th 18-inch bundle. The fact that this hair just like it just bounced back to life after dyeing it and putting it through so much processing is just like A1. Yeah, there's no shedding, no tangling, and I've only had this hair on for today, honestly, so I don't really have much to say about it, but I do like the fact that it bounced back from dyeing it. So that was it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big giant thumbs up and comment down something nice down below. If you guys don't already know and you're new to my channel, I'm doing a giveaway for this same hair company, and these are Brazilian straight bundles in the lengths 18, 20, and 22 with a 16-inch frontal. So if y'all want to know how to enter this, go ahead and click the link down below to my other video talking about the giveaway and enter for your chance to win. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. When I constructed this unit, I did cut my tracks. And another thing, guys, I constructed this unit by gluing my tracks. So this is the first time I've ever done this. I saw Arnell Armand do it and I was just like, that's